2255 Contra Costa Boulevard, PTL. That boy tired. I wonder what this used to be. US. Yup. United States. Square button. Let's go to 3. What the hell is that? I'll have to play with that. They left the original indicator up there. Advanced elevator solutions. Sounding. Let's wait until the door opens. Maybe it announces something. Oh, that's ugly. That's like part of a bed. Or like the inside of a couch or some shit. Doesn't do anything. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Oh, what happened? Alright, that will be it.